Hello and welcome to the introduction of this course. So, we will be covering a lot of things in this particular course. So, let me just give you a brief introduction of Power BI and then we will quickly jump into the action and work our magic with Power BI. So, what really Power BI is it is a cloud-based business analytics service that helps us to visualize our data and enables us to get fast and easy access to your data. So wherever your data is, we can easily connect using Power BI. It gives us a live 360-degree view of your business, data discovery, exploration, insights from any device. So you can really connect it from your Android, iOS, or even from your web. So it can collaborate across your organization, and we can and like anyone can visualize and analyze the data with Power BI. So these are the main key components in our Power BI. Oh, so first of all, it's Power BI Desktop. So it's the free version of Power BI, the Windows desktop application for PCs, where we will be creating our reports. So we will be working most of the time in Power BI Desktop in this lecture and creating our reports. Then comes the Power BI Service, a software as a service based online service where where we will be which is used to share our reports within our organization. So in Power BI service we will be creating our dashboards and sharing our reports with our colleagues or within our organizations. So the next thing which comes up here is Power BI mobile apps. So Power BI is available for both Android and iOS and for Windows and tablets as well. So you can in your fingertips anytime watch and see your dashboards and your reports. Then Power BI gateways, which is used to synchronize your external data with Power BI. So if your data is on premise, you can easily connect it with Power BI so that you can always get the latest data, your latest on premise data. The final part of Power BI component is Power BI embedded. So Power BI embedded is a Power BI REST API is used here to build the dashboards and reports. So what Power BI embedded does is it can be used to create reports and dashboards into your custom applications or your organization's applications. So whether you are Power, so we can, so the reports will be built for all those, whether they are Power BI users or whether they are not, they can use the Power BI reports and dashboards using the REST API service provided by Power BI embedded. Alright, so these were the key components of Power BI. So the next up here is the data sources which we can use to create reports. So Power BI provides really tons of data sources to create our reports, like from the Excel or normal CSV files to the from the web connectors, different databases, Azure services. There are tons of other connectors available to connect your data with Power BI and to create reports out of it. Now, to install the Power BI in your local machine, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is go to the official website of Power BI Microsoft, click on in this particular link, and this will provide you to download the Power BI desktop for free, and then you can install it and we can start working right from our next tutorial. So now in this particular course I will be providing you some of the Power BI files. So during the course, the files which I will be working on, the Power BI projects which we will be creating, all the reports will be available for you to download and work on. Now to edit the data in the same file which I will be providing, you have to change the path of the Excel file to your location's Excel file. So I will be giving you both the Excel file and Power BI file, but you have to change the path in the Power BI file itself so that you can work on it. So to do that, all you have to do is you have to go to the edit queries and then you have to click on the advanced editor. Once you are there, you can see the path here, and all you have to do is just simply replace this URL with the URL, the path of your location of Excel file. So now next comes is the pricing model of Power BI. So as I've already told you, Power BI desktop is free to download and you can like work on it and easily create reports. Next, the Power BI Pro or Power BI Professional is licensed by user, so its price is $9.99 per user per month, which will give you access to Power BI service, and you can like share reports with other Power BI users in your organization. There are two different plans, Power BI Premium and Power BI Embedded, which are licensed by capacity. So for all those big organizations which are having large number of users, they can use the Power BI Premium and Power BI Embedded as per their need. You can find the more details of Power BI pricing in this particular link. So that was all about the introductory lecture of our this course. You will now, from now, you will be working on right into the Power BI desktop, and we will be creating our reports, editing our data. So let's quickly jump into Power BI and start creating our reports. So that was all about the introductory lecture of Power BI. We will be working straight away to Power BI desktop, create our new reports and working with all the different visualizations. So I will be working with you in Power BI desktop from the very next lecture. So I hope to see you guys there, and let's get started with Power BI. And thank you for joining this course.